Hi, my name is Miss Cherry. I'm a 9th grade physical education teacher here at Chula Vista High School. I look forward to working with your students this school year.
Hello, Spartan parents. Thank you for coming to open house tonight. My name is Mr. Leonhardt. I am a physical education teacher and I teach 9th grade. I've been a teacher here at Chula Vista since 1999 and I'm looking forward to teaching your students PE.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Ortega. I'm an alumni from Chula Vista High School and I am now a PE teacher here and I look forward to teaching your students this year.
How you doing? My name is Daryl. I'm one of the sophomore PE teachers here. Been here 17 years, Cinco Mas. Great PE department, a lot of activities for the kids. Appreciate you and your kids, thank you.
Hi, I'm Coach Q. I'm a PE teacher here at Chula Vista High School. I teach Course 2, Adaptive Physical Education, and Weight Training. Been teaching here for about 22 years, also an alumni of the class of '86. I look forward to teaching your students this year.
Hi, this is Miss Cherry and I'm here to talk about the 5 ways to be a successful physical education student. Make sure that you are suited up every day. Have your PE clothes here and ready to go on every PE day. Make sure that you have great attendance, that you're here in class, and that you're participating in all of the activities, completing the running activities and all of the other sport activities to the best of your ability. Make sure that you have a locker checked out and that you're using your locker only, you're not sharing lockers, and then you're locking your stuff up every day when you come out to class. Also, parents and students should be on Jupiter Grades, checking regularly to make sure that you're aware of where your standing is in the class. All grades are updated on Jupiter Grades, and so you should be checking that at least once a week minimum. Also, Infinite Campus will help you regulate your attendance, seeing if you have absences or tardies for the class. You should be on both of those things to monitor your students' grade and their attendance. Thank you and have a great evening.
Thank you, Miss Cherry. My topic tonight is going to be the Chula Vista High School website. And on the Chula Vista High School website, you can find a teacher's email, you can find our course syllabus, and you can also find out information about absences. If your student is absent, they need to contact their own individual teacher to figure out how they can make up those points. There's many different ways, but it's the student's responsibility to talk to that teacher. Thank you and have a good night.
Hey everybody, each year in the spring we do a variety of fitness tests to test the healthy fitness zones of your students. We do a variety of cardiovascular testing, muscular strength and endurance testing. We do preliminary tests in the fall and then we do a final assessment to work towards a fitness plan in the spring.
Hey everyone, it's Mr. Ortega again and I'm here to wrap it up with some recommendations for your student during PE class. Alright, number 1, recommend bringing a water bottle to stay hydrated. Number 2, bring a hat and some sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. Number 3, please try to use the restroom before or after PE class. And lastly, when you lock your stuff up in the PE locker room, use the big locker during PE class, lock your stuff in there, and when we return, take your stuff out of the big locker and you put your PE clothes back in your little locker after class. All right, thank you everyone for joining us in open house and have a good year.